Welcome back to another Handyman Land video. Today we have an awesome tool review video for you today. Check this out. Let's head on over to the workshop. We have here the Elikliv 2-in-1 laser and tape measure. And straight out of the box, let's see how much battery life we have. Press right here to turn it on. We have almost a full bar. And press here, off clear, to turn it off. Hold. And on the front side we have our laser and our tape measure, our safe lock button, and on the back here is where you would charge your device, USB-C. One of the first things I noticed when I took it out of the box is that it's very lightweight. I like that because when you spend all day with a 40-pound bag around your waist with your drills and your other tools, if I could lighten the load, that's the route I'm going to take. Here's a tape measure that I usually have with me on the job. It's big, it's heavy, it's bulky. Just because it's heavy doesn't necessarily mean it's better. Just how heavy is it? 1 pound, 9.8 ounces. And for our laser and tape, not even 1 pound. That's awesome. Let's turn it on. Right here on the top corner, it shows you that the measurements will be taken from the back of your tape measure. Turn it over. Right here, you can change that if you want to take your measurements from the front of the measuring tape. Just like that. The back, front, back. So let's take a measurement on our bench from the back of the tape measure to the wall. We're going to press our center button one time to turn on the laser. You can see the laser right there. Then press again to get our measurement. We have 22.8. And if we look on our yardstick, that's what we got. Let's put it about the 23-inch mark. That's about right. Turn it on for your display. Press again for your laser. Press a third time to take your measurement. 23.1 inch. So it's giving you precise measurements. And that measurement is from the back of your tape measure. That's awesome. Because if you want to take measurements of the floor and know what the square footage of the room is, you're going to do it like that. Now to take the measurement from the front of the tape measure, press right here. Move up. Turn on your laser. Take your measurement. 19.8. So let's change this. If you don't want the 0.8 when you're doing your measurements, press here, turn on your display. Now press and hold. That changes it 2 inches. Press again to turn on your laser. Laser's on. Come back. Press again. There you have it. You have 19 7/8. And that is from the front of your measuring tape. Now we got the tape out. It's on the money. Right now I have it on the off position. Let's turn it back on. Just want to show you how to scroll through the settings. Right here, press and hold. And that'll get you through all the settings. This one's my favorite. Shows you feet and inches. Let's take a quick measurement from here. Turn on your laser first, then get your measurement. There you have it. Another thing I didn't show you was the sound. So if you don't like to hear the sound, you can turn it off right here. Press in, turns off. So right now we cleared it. What I want to do is show you the icon of the area, which will be this button right here. And right there, if you want to measure the square footage of the floor, that's the setting you want it on. This laser and tape measure, it's amazing. It does area, distance, volume, Pythagoras, 2 points and 3 point, which is perfect when there's no existing walls and you're framing out a bedroom, a closet. There's so much that this tape measure can do. We could spend about an hour or more just talking about it. So many useful features that could speed up the job. It does have a belt clip, and the tape has magnetic tip. So let's fully charge our unit. Set it to the side. We're gonna let that charge because we're gonna need that at the work site. All the drywall is done. Trim and baseboards are in. Well, there you have it. This video is coming to an end. What do I think about the product? It's fantastic. It's a game changer. Within minutes, I knew exactly how much drywall I needed for the walls and ceiling and how much backsplash I needed to purchase. Now, they are giving my viewers a limited time offer of 10%. Here's the promo code right here. If you want to take a screenshot, go ahead. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Hit that bell icon, and I'll see you on the next one. Check out the link in the description at the bottom for your 10% off today. You have yourself a good one. See you on the next one.